All right, here's the setup. Storm system pulling away. We've pulled a little cold front through the area, but now the heat is building in Texas. We had highs today greater than 100 degrees in this zone and well into the 90s up here into the southern plains. And now this will be the edge of that heat. We call it the ring of fire, and we're going to see clusters of storms fire on the periphery of this heat for several days. One is starting to form out here in Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado. This will organize into a complex of storms right down the leading edge of this heat, which is a warm front drifting northward. It'll ride through Iowa and then kind of turn towards central and southern Illinois like that and bring a little rain in here tomorrow. And then as the front lifts northward tomorrow night, we will get in on some storms, and eventually more of these complexes of storms in the plains will impact us getting into the weekend and early next week. We call them ridge riders, also called the ring of fire pattern, as these fire on the periphery of a heat wave that's going to set up again in the southern plains and parts of Texas. That said, find a mode tomorrow morning, but by afternoon and evening, some showers coming in as that complex of severe storms rides through central Illinois. We're just going to get a few showers from it. Then some storms tomorrow evening, late, tomorrow night, and early Saturday morning, then a break, and perhaps a few more storms later on Saturday. But tonight, some areas of fog and just cool will be in the low to mid 50s, may rise a few degrees late as that south to southeast wind kicks in. With some increasing clouds tomorrow, we're going to continue to cloud up, and then by afternoon and evening, a few showers coming in. Highs generally in the upper 70s, 77 Lafayette and Williamsport, 76 at Logansport, but about 81 at Covington. Now tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, once those showers exit and new storms form in the area just north of the warm front, we've got a marginal risk of severe weather. Isolated severe storms possible. Main threat would be hail, but also locally heavy rainfall is a good bet too. A break for a little while Saturday, but some storms in the morning, some storms later on in the day, winds out of the south, and a warm high in the 80s for much of the area, though 80 at Flora and 78 at Rochester, about 84 at Frankfort. As the humidity comes up, dew points near 70, 72 by later Saturday, and by Sunday, we are downright oppressive, mid to upper 70s for dew points. 18 precision casts shows the clouds increasing tomorrow. Few showers afternoon, and then storms beginning to fire during the evening hours. And we'll have these storms into tomorrow night as well. 18 rainfall with the storms we get Sunday, the rain we get on Saturday. By Monday evening, 1 to 3 inches expected. Viewing area wide. 88 on Sunday, heat indices up near 100 degrees, 84 on Monday and Tuesday, and hot on Wednesday too with some storms possible. Some of those could be severe, and some severe weather possible on Sunday as well. So pretty active pattern, Anna, and a forecast that looks much more like summer.
Well, you know what? I was just thinking, I haven't even been able to spend much time at my apartment pool, because it's been so cold.
Yeah, if we can dodge the storms, we'll have some good time with that heat.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much, Chad.
Yep.
Well,